Many people don't know the function of reinforcing ribs. Every ZYCO press brake features reinforcing strips on the slide. The ribs effectively distribute concentrated stress throughout the entire machine structure, significantly enhancing rigidity and deformation resistance of the press brake body to handle the enormous tonnage generated during bending. This ensures the machine maintains stability during long-term high-load operation and extends its life. Without ribs, the body may experience slight elastic deformation. The rivers are an important visual indicator of a press brake's sturdiness and its ability to perform high-precision machining. When selecting a press brake, observing the design and materials of the ribs on the slider and the bend is an intuitive and effective way to achieve the best quality of the equipment.